How to be productive after school. Yes, it's really easy. First, make yourself a coffee. Because of this, create a study schedule. If you can't do it alone, use this or this. Having a study plan surely allows students to take control of their learning process and set achievable goals for themselves. It can also help them figure out what they're good at and what they need to work on so they can spend more time on the subjects or topics that need more work. What are the advantages of reference materials? These sources provide background information or help you to find other sources. They are also great for quick facts, statistics, or contact information and can be useful for learning specific vocabulary. Many contain bibliographies for further reading or additional sources on your topic. Recall method, a technique of evaluating memory in terms of the amount of learned material that can be correctly reproduced, as in an essay exam or in reproducing a list of words.